Care of Homegrown Operations are helping improve food access in some of Indy's food deserts with many chronic illnesses tied to diet. Representatives tell News 8's multicultural reporter Katira Winfrey they hope to provide the tools to help people take control of their own health. Katira.
Well, Phil, access to food is a major hurdle for countless families across central Indiana. And with fewer farmers, some fear there could be even bigger problems on the horizon. But I spoke to a couple women who've taken their love of community and can now watch it grow.
To see growth, you often have to feed it, sometimes with soil and water, but often with a lot of love.
There's therapeutic natures in the soil.
Taisha Ahmad would know. She oversees Mother Loves Garden and just wrapped up a youth summer gardening camp.
Everybody has to eat. So if you can grow your own food, you can feed your family.
Around 6 years ago, before a boom in development, she started buying vacant, derelict lots around her neighborhood, turning former dumping grounds into community gardens, using it as a form of neighborhood beautification, but also education.
When we have the kids in the garden, we push that nutrition. If you're not eating your fruits and your vegetables, where are you getting your vitamins?
Communities considered food deserts often see the highest diet-related illnesses like diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and even mental health, all tied to inadequate meals and nutrition.
Good food's good and helps you, you're happy, but also we're feeding the soul with education as well.
Danielle Gurin has taken on a mission to curb that too with Soul Food Project.
Learn yourself to grow your own food and have that skill.
A Peace Corps trip to Cameroon opened her eyes that she actually grew up in a food desert. Coming back home, she got to work, growing. Since 2017, it's blossomed to include employment skills like resume building and financial literacy.
Adults were also needing the help, wanting to learn as well, so we started last fall. We launched an adult apprenticeship program.
She too says with less access to food, families can close that gap themselves.
Some people had the skills, but not the resources or the tools. And so we launched a tool share to help neighbors have beautiful gardens in their own home.
Ahmad and Gurin say this is their part to play and hopes this work takes on even deeper roots.
A lot of our communities, are getting more back in line with nature.
And Soul Food Project and Mother Loves Garden will both be opening up farm stands to sell produce next month. Reporting in the studio, I'm with TV News 8's multicultural reporter, Katira Winfrey.